An example of a linking verb that expresses a state of being followed by a noun subject complement, a predicate nominative. Roberto is my friend. Whom are we talking about? Roberto. Roberto is the noun subject. What about Roberto? Roberto is. The word is the main verb. The verb is expresses a state of being. Roberto is who or what? Roberto is my friend. The word friend is a predicate nominative because it answers a who or what question, and it refers back and renames the subject Roberto. Roberto is my friend. My friend is Roberto. This makes the main verb is a linking verb. An example of a linking verb that expresses a condition followed by an adjective subject complement, a predicate adjective. Carol looked tired. Whom are we talking about? Carol. Carol is the noun subject. What about Carol? Carol looked. The word looked is the main verb. The verb looked expresses a condition. Carol looked how? Carol looked tired. The word tired is a predicate adjective because it answers a what kind or how question and describes the subject Carol. Tired Carol. This makes the main verb looked a linking verb.